Hello, this is Zafar with PROTech. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create work folders. This is a pretty neat feature presented by Microsoft, and this is being used for BYOD devices. So let's get started. First and foremost, make sure the work folders are installed. So simply go to Manage and click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. And select roles and features option, and then select the server you want to install on, and then in this case I'm going to select default. Click Next, and then expand the file and storage services, then onto the submenu, and then make sure the work folders is installed. In this case it's already installed, so I'm going to just cancel out of this. So back to the server manager, go ahead and click on file and storage servers, and then click on work folders. So right now it doesn't have anything in here, so to create a new sync, click on task on top right, and then select a new sync share, and then continue on to select next, and then we have this option here. So either we could select a share from here, or we could create one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the one we already created in the previous video. It has about 54 files in it. So simply click Next, and you have an option to give the user alias. At this page, you could give the user alias or the email address. In a real world scenario, is going to be the second option, the email address at domain. So click Next, and then here's the share name. You could leave it as it is, or you could give it a name here. Let me keep it same, and then I'm going to do underscore work underscore, and then click Next, and then in here it's asking for the sync access, so you might want to click Add here. You could give access to one user or the whole group. In this scenario, I'm going to give access to the domain admins. So check name. Oops. Okay, what do I do? Let me just delete that here. Advanced, find now, and let me go look for domain admins. There it is. So just double click on it and click OK. There it is. So any admin who has access to this domain have access to this work folder. In this case, the domain admin is admin for the domain PROTech. Okay, so a really good stuff here. So click Next, and then yeah, there it is, automatically lock screen. And then you might want to select encrypt work folders. That is very, very important, because the user will be accessing this from BYOD or any of the company issued devices. So I would highly recommend encrypt work folders. And then click Next, and then click Create. It's gonna take a moment to create it, and click Close, and you see here the work folders has been created, and you could see who has access: administrators, domain admins. You could have other information here too. Okay, and let me see if it shows up in here. So alright, let me switch screens, and I'll go to a different server, and we'll see if it's going to show up there. So I'm going to bring up the E drive, and then okay, so there is a folder here, And remember, we renamed this as our work folders, and it has all the other stuff here. So the user could start saving the data in here. So any of this data from the previous share, it will be available for the users. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as visit my website. Have a good day.